Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this Valentine's Day post in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our social media post. Now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a square. Now we will set the size of the square 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Now we will set the align of the square. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag this square like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will set the width of this rectangle 1000 pixels. Now we will drag this square as well. Now we will select one rectangle and we will fill red color. Now we will remove the outline. Now we will select the second rectangle and we will fill color and we will remove the outline. Now we will select this rectangle and we will drag like this. Now we will right click to make a copy. Now we will fill white color. Now we have this strip. Now we will select this and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select all these strips and we will right click, then group. Now we will select these strips and we will select the rectangle. Now we will press C to align center. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small circle with the Ctrl key. Now we will set the size of this circle 39 pixels. Now we will place this circle. Now we will fill white color and we will remove the outline. Now we will place this circle. Now we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select all circles and we will right click, then group. Now we will drag these circles and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will right click and we will ungroup. Now we will select one circle and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will select all the circles and we will group. Now we will drag and right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select all the circles with the shift key and click. Now we will group all. Now we will keep this aside. Now we will right click and we will select power clip inside. Now I'll click on this red rectangle. Now I'll click on edit. Now I'll place these circles according to the rectangle. Now I'll click on finish. Now we'll again select the ellipse tool and we will draw a circle with the Ctrl Shift. Now we will increase the size of the outline. Now we'll select both the rectangles and we will group. Now we'll select the circle and the rectangle and we will press C to align center. Now we will adjust the size of the circle. Now give a white color to outline. Now we will do Ctrl C to copy and we will paste by Ctrl V at the same place. Now we will remove the outline and we will fill color in the circle. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line in the center of the circle. Now we will increase the size of the line. Now we will select the Smart Fill tool from the toolbar and we will fill color like this in 2 parts. Now we will change color. Now we'll select both and we will remove the outline. Now we will delete the line. Now we'll select both the parts of the circle and we will group. Now we will delete this circle. Now we will select both the circles and we will align horizontally and vertically. Now we will select the white outline circle and we will do Shift Page Up. Now we will select this circle and we will drag inside, then right click to make a copy. With the Shift key we will drag. Now we'll fill white color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the common shape from the toolbar and we will select heart shape. Now we will draw a heart. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the heart shape and we will select Interactive Fill tool from the toolbar. Now we'll select Fountain Fill. Then we will select Elliptical Fountain Fill. Now we will set colors. We will select the colors and we will drop. You can see the color codes. Now we will adjust the fountain fill. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now select this shape and we will drag with the Control key and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will select Smart Fill tool. Now we will fill color in this part. Now we will select this front heart shape and we will delete. Now we'll select this part and we will remove the outline. Now we'll go to the effects menu and we will select blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now we will right click and we will select power clip inside. Now we'll click on this heart shape. Now again we will select and we will drag like this and we will right click. Now again we will select Smart Fill tool and we will fill this area. Now we will change the color and we will remove the outline. Now we will delete this heart. Now select this and we will go to the effects menu. Now select blur, then Gaussian blur. Now click on OK. Now we will press Ctrl key and we will make a copy by right click. Now we will right click and we will click on power clip inside. Now click on heart shape. Now similarly we will select this blur shape and again we will power clip inside. Now we'll select pen tool from the toolbar and we will draw few shapes like this. Now we'll select all these shapes and we will fill white color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll go to the effects menu and we will select blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius. looking 3D. Now we have this heart. I'll make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will select this heart and we will select interactive fill tool. Now we will change color. Now we will change the color. Now we will select a dark shade. Now again we will click on edit. Now we'll select this blur shape and we will change the color. Now we'll select color. Now we will select the color with the eyedropper tool. Now we will select the dark shade of this color. I'll click on fill. Now we will select the second blur shape and we will select and we will click on fill. Now I'll click on finish. Now we have these two hearts. Now we select and we will right click and group. Now we will group the hearts. Now we'll select the shadow tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the heart shape. Now we will increase the size of the feather. Now we will change color. We will select the red color of the shadow. Now we will adjust the shadow. Now we'll select this heart with the shadow. Now we'll group. Now we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will double click and we will rotate. Now we will make more copies and we will rotate. Now we'll select this heart and we will apply shadow. Now we will change the feather. Now we will change the color of the shadow. Now we will adjust. Now we select and we will group. Now we will place this second heart. Now we will make copies and we will rotate. Now we have these details. Now we'll place this. Design is completely vector, guys. You can see logo is also vector. Now first we will select the logo and we will group. Now we'll place this logo here. Now place this text. You can see the font style. Like this, we will place all the text. We will adjust the heart. I we'll select both and we'll press it to align center. Now we'll select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small rectangle. Now we will give a color to the outline. Now we will increase the size of the outline. Now we'll place this text on the rectangle. Now select both and we will press C to align center. Now we'll select both and we will group. Now we will adjust the position. Now we'll select this contact details and we will place here on the bottom. Now we will adjust the R. Now we will select this text and we will select the shadow tool. Now we will apply shadow. Now we will adjust. Now we will select this text. Now similarly we will apply shadow. Now we'll select this and we will first ungroup. Now we'll select the rectangle and we will apply shadow tool. Now we will increase the size of the feather. Now we'll select this text and we will edit. We will select 50 and we will change the color. Now we'll select this white circle and we will apply shadow. Now we'll select this text and we will apply interactive fill tool. Now we'll click on fountain fill. Now we'll click elliptical fountain fill. Now same step we will give on this text as well. Now we'll go to the edit menu. Now we'll select copy properties from. Now we'll click on text properties. Now okay, then we will click on this text. So guys, our social media post for Valentine's Day offer is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.